The rain taps softly on my glass, each drop a memory that doesn't pass. Coffee steam curls like a dream, and I see you in the in-between. What if you stayed? What if you cared? What if the love was really there? I trace the lines of yesterday and wonder where we'd be today. If the story turned another way, we'd be laughing in the light of day. No ghosts, no games, no broken truth, just me in love and me with you. But the pages burn, the ink ran dry. Still I sit here asking why. If the story turned another way, would you be mine? Would you still stay? The city hums, but I'm alone, replaying moments we never owned. A stranger's face reminds me still of love that bent but couldn't fill. What if your heart was open wide? What if you never chose to hide? I sip the past like bitter wine, imagining a life that wasn't mine. If the story turned another way, we'd be dancing while the records play. No lies, no mask, just truth alive in your eyes. But the script was torn, the stage gave way. Still I hear the echoes say, if the story turned another way, would I still hold your hand today? But rain is rain, it falls the same, no matter how I call your name. The truth is carved, the ending stays. No rewrite can erase those days. If the story turned another way, we'd have a home where hearts could stay. But life changed in a way that can't be replaced, and